get it. Don't ask any questions, just listen. The feds did a sweep on my block and ain't asked for permission. A couple days later we're missing. I don't got time for no beef or no internet dissing. If we got a problem, let's get it. There's none on my brain, got me feeling like Melly, I'm tripping. I guess it's just gangsta tuition.
What's happening, y'all? It's Hellcat B, man. Checking in with another video, you dig. About to go clean my baby up right quick. She'll look dirty. I haven't cleaned her in 2 days. Then I'm gonna go holler at my boy DeMario and see how my box looking. I'm gonna check back with y'all.
What you know about that pain? Every night a different struggle. I was born to be a king, was given up by my own mother. Mom class we lock vibes. Long nights we earn stripes. We really raised our lives on. We really raised our lives on.
Oh no, I just finished getting my baby clean. Everything done. It is. You know, something slight. Shout out to my dog J3. You got anything to say, dog?
Shit, hey, you gotta come get it in with J3. J3 gonna get you right each time.
Big facts, you know what I mean? Tell me you camera shy. You stuttering and stuff on camera.
Boy, hell no. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D Wood, man. Make sure y'all share, comment, like, and subscribe. My YouTube channel is WoodWerkz, WoodWerkz. We about to make a sub enclosure for my boy B man, Hellcat B man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a single 15 ported enclosure. It's gonna be tuned to 34 hertz, airport design. Once we get that all cut up, man, we'll definitely get y'all tuned in, man.
Couple bands at the box, still here checking at the top, still getting messy with the pot. Had to throw a stick in the sock, I just pray it don't miss when I pop, put a dick on the mop. 100 round drum with a Glock, nigga, I'ma go crazy. These streets are gone like God, how can you blame me? Try to run off with the load, there's a rap. Send my shoulders to his door, get it back. We ain't beefing over hoes, you was scratched.
So basically what I just did, I just flush trimmed. One of my pieces was taller than the other. So now you see they all perfectly the same size. And basically what I was working on was the height. So I'm making sure all my wood pieces are the same height. So when all of these are stacked up, it's perfectly even, don't have to worry about no gap. So it's pretty much what I just worked on right there, man.
Yes, sir.
That's it, man. We got all your pieces cut out. It's gonna be double baffled, so 2 baffles on the front. I got the top bottom piece and your 2 side pieces. So this thing basically ready to go, man.
If you just like my last video, make sure you like and subscribe. Hellcat B, man. If you want to know why I'm in a rental, please like and subscribe and follow back and see what you find next.
13 bodies, and that's enough said, cause that'll get you indicted. And dick hard on the block, I caught her, I got excited. I love a freaky bitch, I get no fucks, I'm so shameless. Claim she bad.